Google has just unveiled Gemini 2.0, its most powerful artificial intelligence model suite to date, making it accessible to everyone in a significant leap forward for AI innovation. Back in December, the tech giant provided early access to developers and trusted testers, integrating some of Gemini's features into its existing products. However, this latest release marks a pivotal moment as it becomes available for general use. Expanding its reach across industries and user bases worldwide, the Gemini 2.0 suite boasts multiple models designed to cater to different needs. One of the standout models, 2.0 Flash, is described as a workhorse model, optimized for handling high-volume, high-frequency tasks with exceptional efficiency. Meanwhile, the 2.0 Pro experimental version focuses on enhancing coding performance, and the 2.0 Flashlight model emerges as Google's most cost-efficient AI offering yet, designed for those seeking powerful AI capabilities without breaking the bank. In terms of pricing, developers can access Gemini Flash at 10 cents per million tokens for processing text, image, and video inputs, while the budget-friendly Flashlight version comes in at just 0.75 cents per million tokens. For context, tokens represent the fundamental units of data the model processes, making cost efficiency a key factor in widespread adoption. Google's aggressive push in AI development comes amid a growing arms race in the industry. Major players like Meta, Amazon, Microsoft, OpenAI, and Anthropic are all advancing their AI technologies, particularly in the realm of agentic AI models designed to perform complex, multi-step tasks with minimal user intervention. Instead of requiring constant step-by-step commands, these AI agents anticipate user needs, process information, and execute actions autonomously under supervision. In a December blog post, Google detailed its vision for AI-driven automation, emphasizing that Gemini 2.0 introduces significant advancements in multimodal capabilities, including native image and audio output and built-in tool utilization. These innovations pave the way for AI agents that act as universal assistants, streamlining workflows and enhancing user interactions with technology. Google faces fierce competition from Anthropic, the Amazon-backed AI startup led by former OpenAI researchers. Anthropic has been making strides in AI agent development, claiming its models can interact with computers like human users navigating screens, selecting buttons, entering text, and executing tasks across software platforms and the internet. According to Jared Kaplan, Anthropic's chief science officer, their AI can perform intricate, multi-step operations with remarkable efficiency. OpenAI has also stepped into the arena with Operator, a feature designed to automate tasks such as trip planning, form completion, restaurant bookings, and grocery shopping. Described as an AI agent capable of browsing the web and performing actions for users, Operator represents OpenAI's latest step toward making AI more practical in everyday life. Further upping the ante, OpenAI recently launched Deep Research, a feature that compiles in-depth reports and analyzes user-defined topics. Interestingly, Google introduced a tool with the same name, Deep Research, back in December, reinforcing its commitment to AI-powered knowledge generation. Reports first surfaced in December that Google had ambitious AI rollouts planned for early 2025. During a strategic meeting, CEO Sundar Pichai highlighted the importance of execution over being first to market, stating, "In history, you don't always need to be first, but you have to execute well and really be the best in class as a product." I think that's what 2025 is all about. With Gemini 2.0 now in full release and the AI arms race heating up, one thing is clear: Google is playing to win, and the future of AI-driven technology is unfolding faster than ever. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts on Gemini 2.0. How do you see AI shaping the future? Thanks for watching.